Hey guys, Illusions here. Today I'll be picking this pair of police grade handcuffs. As you can see, no slides on them, nothing. It's the real pair of handcuffs. As you can see, sometimes I have trouble with them. But yeah, here, let me show you how the key works. Take the key. Hang on. There we go. Put it in. Then, sorry. But yeah, that's how it works. So what I'm going to be doing is I'll be putting them behind my back and trying to escape them. As you can see, I have many keys here. Only 2 on here work to those handcuffs. So what I'm going to try to do, take them, and I'll show you. I was going to do it under soap, but it's not that professional, so behind my back. Yeah, I'm going to try to do this under 10 seconds. Starting now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 6 seconds. Not too bad, I've beaten that before, but yeah, there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed. Alright, just take another look at the handcuffs. No slides, remember that? Yeah, I even have trouble opening them sometimes. Luckily, I didn't have trouble putting them behind my back. But yeah, there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment and rate this video. This is G-Illusion signing out, so please subscribe. See you later.